Hello, in this video I will show you some tips and tricks on POCO F7. So first of all I will show you in security app. You have to scroll down and swipe up to open toolbox. This is like some hidden section of additional features, and here you can find hide apps option. So from this list there is all applications from your phone, and you can select apps to get them in the hide menu, hidden menu. Now you can find them by using this gesture on the home screen, and here is the hidden apps section. Also in the security app we can find app locker. So you have to set the password over here by using pattern, and now you can select apps that you want to lock. So now let's go to the YouTube, for example, because I selected it. Let's find YouTube, and now I have to unlock it by using my pattern from app locker. Now I will show you a private album in gallery, which is also cool. Go to the gallery and select photos or videos. And when you selected it by holding, you can add to album. And here you can find private album. So add this, and here you can set privacy protection password for your private album. Draw it again, click next. Not now, and now you can find your private album. So to open it, you have to go to the albums and swipe down, and here you can find this section. So you have to enter this password, and this is the private album. So this is also cool feature because you can't find it from here. You have to swipe down, and here you are able to find your private album with your private photos and videos. Also, you can add some widgets to your home screen by holding on your home screen and going to widgets. Here you can find some widgets that you can add to your home screen. Like also, let's find this is cool one, step counter, and simply add to home screen. And this is like set counter, steps counter. Sorry. You have to set up, change the goal, and this is basically your steps counter. Also, in the customization of your app drawer, you can find this option in the top right corner, and here you can go to backgrounds, and now you can select light, dark, or auto mode. Also, you can adjust app drawer background transparency by using this slider, like that, for example. As you can see, I have no background, so this is also looking cool. Also in the gallery we can find some additional edit features, like go to the any photo and click on this pencil over here, and here you can find some options to edit, like also there is AI features. It calls AI beauty, but you have to download it, so wait a couple of seconds. But we can also find here, we can add text from here, Doodle. It can make your photos better looking. Also there is some other features from here. Next, go back to security app. From here also we can find cleaner, which is also good because you can clean some cache files from here. So like clean it, and you can get some extra optimization by doing it. Also there is security virus scanner, boost speed. This can help you with cleaning RAM memory. So you can select it whatever you want from here. Also running system apps, and click boost speed. This is very good for optimize your phone also. And also we can find here Deep Cleaner. So you can like delete photos from here, uninstall apps and some other things. So yeah, this is one of the best features from POCO F7. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.